I stopped counting the drops on the window, left my sharp edges running down the pane. I've been holding my breath for the clearing, just to watch the gray swallow it again. No more wiping the glass for a signal, no more waiting for the sun to rise. I'm leaning into the rhythm of falling, and the quiet is starting to thrive. Rain without rain, drown me tender in your steady. I'm finally surrendered. No dry land, no fire to defend, just the hush where the hurting descends. Rain don't ask, rain don't pause, wash the colors till nothing's the cause. Rain without end, you're my friend. Stay heavy, stay soft, stay to the end. I folded the letters I never sent out, let the ink bleed into puddles below. No more chasing the break in the weather. I don't need horizons to know there's a mercy in the weight of the water, a kindness in the blur it creates. I'm not fighting the flood anymore, I'm floating where memory fades. Rain without end, drown me tender in your steady. I'm finally surrendered. No dry land, no fire to defend, just the